Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Tozy Flying Disc. It's received 4.5 out of 5 stars and has over 6,000 ratings on Amazon. Unleash the thrill of flight with the Tozy Flying Disc, the ultimate revolution in outdoor fun. Engineered with cutting-edge precision and powered by LED technology, the Tozy disc lights up the sky, creating a dazzling display during day or night. With an incredible flight range of up to 100 meters, it delivers both speed and stability for maximum performance. Designed for durability, this futuristic flying disc can handle intense action and is perfect for family fun, beach games, or competitive play. Elevate your game with Tozy Flying Disc, where innovation meets excitement. So, how exactly do you use it? You want to ensure the flying disc is fully charged, especially if you want to take advantage of its LED lights. If you want to use the disc at night or in low light conditions, press the power button to activate the LED lights. There are various lighting modes you can toggle. Have fun, and remember the LED light makes it ideal for night games, so don't let the fun stop when the sun goes down. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.